Things you probably didn't know about. Today we're talking about something we all use but rarely think about: printers. Printers are machines that convert our digital content into a physical form. We use it to print money, arts, books, anything you can put on paper, basically. Did you know the very first printer was created in the 15th century by a guy named Johannes Gutenberg? It was a printing press that used movable type. It revolutionized how books were made. Thanks to him, printing went from being something only the rich can afford to something everyone could enjoy. Did you know that printer ink is one of the most expensive liquids on the planet? It costs more than expensive champagne or even perfume. Your printer might be hiding something. Many printers secretly print tiny, almost invisible dots on each page. These dots are a kind of code that can trace a printer's serial number and even the date and time of printing. So there you have it, some fun and surprising facts about printers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Decode Daily.